The 2007 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, cruise control, power windows, compass, trip computer, passenger airbag, power door locks, fog lamps, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, heads-up display, rear wiper, privacy glass, trailer hitch receiver. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.